Hi guys, it's me, Judge Vonda B. I just wanted to address a couple of concerns that ironically have come to my attention this week. I know they're big deals, both of them individually, but I didn't realize how much of a concern it was for people, especially in how these two things may or may not affect child support. So today we're going to be talking about the signing of an acknowledgement of paternity and adding your name as the parent on a birth certificate. What is that? So you all know what a birth certificate is. Whenever you have a child, the when you're in the hospital, you sign the paperwork to name the child on the birth certificate. No harm, no foul, right? Well, at the same time, you're also given a document known as the acknowledgement of paternity. A lot of people sign that, not really understanding what that document actually means and how it could affect you legally in terms of child support. So in regards to the birth certificate, let's start with that first. You can name your child whatever you want to name them. You can also put Mickey Mouse as the parent if you want to. You can put any parent you want, any parent's name on that birth certificate. Does that make them liable for child support? The answer is no. It does not make you liable for child support. However, the acknowledgement of paternity can make you liable for child support. So the acknowledgement of paternity is the document that you normally would sign at the hospital. Some people end up signing it subsequently at the Attorney General's office or maybe even in court, just depending on if you file an original suit affecting the parent-child relationship, or if you file a suit in court asking for DNA testing. So an acknowledgement of paternity, it can be rescinded, but you have a certain amount of time to actually rescind that. And by rescind, I mean that's how you are able to undo it, so to speak. So after you sign an acknowledgement of paternity, you have to rescind it if there is any doubt that you believe that you may not be the parent of this child. In Texas, if you do not rescind within that allotted amount of time, and child support is formed against you, it's filed against you later, and no other person comes forward to be the father of that child, you're on the hook for child support. The only thing that can allow for an acknowledgement of paternity and or a birth certificate for that matter to be changed is a court order. So absent a court order, absent any other man coming forward saying he may be the father of this child, absent a court order deeming you not to be the parent of that child through DNA testing, that acknowledgement of paternity is a very powerful document, and you could possibly pay child support as a result. It's a very unfortunate situation. I know people to this day that are currently dealing with this situation. It's very unfortunate, but this is the reason why this show is so important, you guys, to educate you so you can know your rights. Before you sign any document, you need to know legally what is the ramifications for me adding my signature to this. And in the moment, it may seem like the right thing to do, but later on down the line, it could be something that could cost you tremendously in child support court for the next 18 years. Or, if anything else is subsequently wrong with the child, like any disabilities or anything like that, it could go past that 18-year mark. So again, Judge Vonda B, Support Court with Judge Vonda B is a show to entertain you, of course, courtroom drama, so to speak. But more importantly, it is to educate you so you will know what your rights are. And if you don't know your rights, I would hope that this show would at least encourage you to seek an attorney, seek someone in the legal profession who is able to help you with whatever questions you may have. Again, my name is Vonda Bailey. I am not a judge. I am a licensed attorney in the state of Texas, and I practice almost exclusively in the area of child support. So I'm pretty familiar with the child support laws that exist here in Texas. So again, I hope you all tune in. We have a lot in store for you. Our first airing is coming up this month, so I'm really excited. For those of you who have yet to spread the word and tell people to subscribe, I hope you would do so. Don't miss out. And we will be announcing when the official viewing party will take place this month as well. So again, you all stay informed and we'll be in touch. Right now, we're adjourned.